Fire Prevention Month.
Update na po muna tayo ngayon sa sunog dyan sa Quezon City at may ulat on the spot.
Sunog na naman sa Marikina.
Iga nagkasunog sa Tondo, Maynila kanina madaling araw.
Mahigit 2,000 na po ang naitalang sunog sa bansa. Simula
mahigit 30 na ang nasawi sa mga sunog sa Metro Manila mula Enero ngayong unang linggo ng Fire Prevention Month. At kasama rito
Every year, Fire Prevention Month serves as a vital reminder of the importance of vigilance and preparedness in protecting lives and property from the devastating effects of fire. By fostering a culture of safety and responsibility, Fire Prevention Month aims to empower individuals, families, and businesses to prioritize fire prevention and safeguard the future of our communities. It is a time to raise awareness about fire safety practices, highlight the significance of fire detection and alarm systems, and encourage communities to take proactive measures in preventing fire-related accidents.
Apex Fire Protection Services. In the ashes of devastation, we find the importance of prevention. Be secured and protected.